Hi, I'm Chris from Glad Science and I'm glad to see you. Today we're going to go into derivatives. Derivatives are undoubtedly one of the most important topics in all of calculus. Derivatives are typically interpreted in two ways: the slope of the tangent line and the instantaneous rate of change. Here we have some function y equals f of x, and here we have a tangent line to some point. You can see that the equation of the tangent line is y is equal to 2x plus 2. The slope of the tangent line, in this case is 2, is the derivative of the function at that point. Let's say that a bucket fills with water according to the equation x is equal to 3t squared plus 5t plus 1, with x being the amount of water. Using derivatives, you can determine how fast the bucket is going to be filled. Let's review some derivative rules. So here we have the very basic derivative rules. The most vital rule you need to know is x to the n prime is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. Essentially, you're bringing down your exponent, so that is your new coefficient, and then your new exponent is your original exponent minus 1. K, constant, is equal to 0, because if you graph a constant, it never changes, so the rate of change is 0. 1 over x, using this rule you can determine that it is negative 1 over x squared. And likewise with square root of x, if you use the first rule, you can determine that it is 1 over 2 square root of x. When using trigonometric functions, there's really no trick to use instead of just memorizing the functions. Sine x prime is equal to cosine, cosine prime is equal to negative sine, tangent prime is equal to secant squared, and cotangent prime is equal to negative cosecant squared. So for these functions, you have a to the x prime is a to the x times ln of a. E to the x prime is e to the x, and you can prove this by using this formula. Log base a of x prime is 1 over x ln of a, and ln of x prime is 1 over x. So these are the cardinal rules of calculus. These are the very basic derivative functions that you do need to know, not only for calculus, but for some courses such as Physics C, and even some aspects of chemistry. So thank you for watching. I hope that was a big help, and I'm always glad to be of help.